What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pimp Master. I know it's been a minute, guys. I've been spending some time down in Belize. I just got back and looking forward to giving you all the tea on what's going on in the market. So, look, let's jump right into it. I am still a fan of Lucid. Okay, I'm still a fan of Lucid, and I'm going to show you why. All right, let's look at Lucid stock. Lucid stock news. Okay, let's see. Which one was it? So the latest and greatest is actually on my phone and it's not popping up here. Oh, okay, here we go. This one will work. Should you buy Lucid Group stock, right? Tuesday morning. So they talked about what's going on with Lucid. Um, it has a short-term technical score of 75. It indicates that stock has traded more bullishly over the last month than 75% of stocks on the market. Not bad, right? In the auto manufacturing industry, which ranks 91 out of 146, stock ranks higher than 81% of stocks. That's a good sign, guys. Okay, so it dropped down to 17 and now it's sitting in the $21 range. Average price target at $32. I believe Lucid is a good buy right now, and I'm going to show you why. You can look at the news yourself. I will not insult your intelligence. Let me show you why I believe Lucid is a good buy. Number one, Lucid has bottomed out right here at $13.29. Okay, Lucid took another drop down. Okay, and that was 11 May. Lucid did it again, 16 June, dropped down to 15. Last drop right here, which was recently 1 July, was down to 1642. As you can see, that was my last support line. Now Lucid is headed to resistance at 2452. Not only that, look what's happening to my EMAs, 5200 and 800. They're now lining up. So this is what it should look like eventually. 50 is going to push up. 200 is going to push up. Eventually the 800 is going to bottom there. And we should get price to do one of these bounce moves here. You know, of course, it's going to bounce around, but I think price is going to do what it did over here. I think price is going to do exactly what it did over here to close this bowl right here. Right, that's a reverse St. Louis arch, by the way. So I got Lucid's price target for me. Let's see what time span here. See what time span we're talking. So from here to here was from 12 January to 31 May. So we're talking 5 months. So now we're in from May. We're talking June, July, August, September, October. So I'm saying by October, which I need to expand my option to October because I got a call option on Lucid. I got that at 18 and another one at 19. So mine expires in August. Let me see. This one expires 22 July and the other one expires 12 August. I'm going to reopen the option and push them all the way through October and see if this does not pan out to give us these results up here. Okay, that's on Lucid. Ford. I think Ford is going to do the exact same thing, right? Ford is setting up now to go to the 800 EMA. So we should see Ford hit around $14 and some change within the next 2 weeks or so. I think Ford will hit that. So Ford is a good buy right now. If you look on a higher time frame, Ford did all of his crossing and it jumped out of my vector or my reverse triangle. It jumped out of that. So now I'm looking for Ford to buy back up at least to $13.95 or $14. It may get some resistance here to push back down, but looking for Ford's next quarter to be better than the last. And then let's skip on over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin tried to make a run for the money, didn't it? And shot up here to my resistance line at 24,249. So Bitcoin, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bitcoin is just bouncing between support and resistance. Look what it did, right? This was all money to be made in here, okay? And then when it ran back, now it's hitting resistance. It very well can come back down, but if it's really ready for the buy up, it's going to bounce off this 50, surpass this level, go to my next level of resistance at 25,999. So look for Bitcoin to jump up to 25,999, then to 27,054, and the rest is history after that. And I think we can just set a buy for Bitcoin, but I'm wanting Bitcoin to pull back first, real good. Then I'll set a buy and just stay in that buy for a while. Crude oil, I'm looking for crude oil to come back down to $98.64. Based on time frame and market analysis, because it's confused right now. So it's a strong possibility it can come back down to 98. If not, if it's really ready, then it's going to 101. And it's going to come up here and complete this move all the way up to about 104 and should hit the 800 at 105. And then if that's the case, look for oil prices at the pump to go right back up again. Okay. And lastly, my favorite, the Dow Jones, US30. US30 looks like it's trying to be in a buy momentum, and it's based off of the 4-hour chart, not the 1 hour. So the 4-hour chart has the 800 EMA up here at 32,873. I had made a call that if it does buy to like 32.5 or something like that, it's way more serious about a buy because it takes a lot of effort to push all the way up here. So if it does in fact do, you see it's been looping, right? See how it's been declining and now it flattened out? There's no more drops below this level. A lot of times if you see the market moving like that and then it flattens out, right? Boom, it flattens out. Boom, it flattened. That was a quick area where it flattened out. So I'm not too sure if it's done yet. I need to draw a new trend line. I drew one at the base and I don't like it. So I need to draw a new trend line to see where its stopping point is. I haven't drawn one yet, so I might as well draw one while I'm talking, huh? Uh-oh. Didn't want to do that though. Hold tight. All right, let's see if I can get one here. Look at that's very interesting because it closed. So it closed around here on this one. Now we have this foolishness here going on right there. So this would have been a nice little triangle. Oh, it's still in the triangle. It's still in it. When you look at this, watch how I form a triangle. Bam. And cut. So it's in a triangle, guys. Not to be alarmed. If it busts out of this triangle, then it's going to form the ABCD pattern right here, XABCD, which looks something like this, right? XABCD. That's what the pattern looks like. Let me pull it out a little bit more so we can see this. Grab a spot that won't move my numbers. Okay, XABCD, and the D should put us, actually should put it up here to form it properly. Yeah. So looking for a US30 to come up to about 32,815. So that's my market analysis for now. Let's see what happens in the next week or so. Okay? Hopefully this helps. All right? I'm your boy, Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. I'm out.